Hi everyone, it's Sandy and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you some projects that you could make using your paper scraps, and the projects are just really fun, easy fold pockets. I did a video just previously. It was a video using your 6x6 papers, and you make a flipbook and two cute little pocket with a tuck spot. And this video is also the same type of pocket. It's just a little bit of a different size, and you can use your paper scraps. And also what else you can do with these pockets in other projects. And I made a little mini pocket album using those pockets as well, and I'll show you how you can assemble the mini album to add those pockets as your pages. And also you could use these pockets as inserts in your pages, in your junk journals, or in traveler's notebook, or anything you like. You can place them onto your Happy Mail pages as well, or leave it as is. And I'll just show you what they look like. But the flipbook that I made the pockets in the first time was in this project here, using two pieces of 6x6 papers. The first paper was to make your flipbook cover, and then on the inside are the two cute little mini pockets using one piece of 6x6 paper. I'll put the link down below to the flipbook here that I made if you wanted to have a look. And these are the two little pockets. They are so cute, and then you can still add some fun goodies in here, and then you get a tuck spot on the get a top pocket on the top and a tuck spot here on the side. So this video is the same kind of pockets but using your paper scraps, and you can make larger sizes, and I'll show you the ones that I've made. This is the larger size pockets that I've made, where you can add more larger package goodies. You can add a card to the front here and add the goodies on the back. You can put chocolates, use this as a treat favor bag, anything you like. You can also add these pockets onto a page in a junk journal or mini album if you like. With the difference with this one to that one, I've placed a some vellum, because I had some vellum scraps. And then what I did here is I punched a hole onto the flat part first, and then I adhered the vellum to the back, and then I closed it up to make the side pocket. And I'll just show this one how it looks like. It's really really easy. Use your scraps. And so I'll place one of these cards. This is the dies from In Love Art Shop for this whole project. The flowers, the hello word, and the note card, the note, like it's got perforated lines, looks like a little page from a notepad. That's the die. And I'll put the link to the In Love Art Shop if you wanted to purchase these, and you get a 15% discount too if you use my coupon code. And that just fits in there nicely like that. And then I've got some of these tags and a little gift, and it's just nice to have a little bit of a peek through there. And this is the other one, different sizes. And I have a whole heap of like my 12x12 papers that I keep, that are quite large, and I have a little section for like my half size 12x12 papers, or just my longer pieces. So all I've done was to just grab like one of these to make the larger size pocket, and I'll just use this one. This is on the top already, and all you simply do is just decide which side you want, if it's double-sided, and you just fold that over, and you fold it to however deep you want your tuck spot that's on the side here. And then you grab the other side and bring that over, and you want to place the edge of this the edge of this paper just below that fold line. I also showed you this tutorial on the video with the flipbook as well. And all you do next is you just place some glue on the bottom here, and then some glue just below that fold line, and then you close that up, and that will give you that top pocket. And then if you have a circle punch, heart punch, or any large punch that will fit along here, just punch that out and then just add some vellum, and then you just adhere that, and then you place some glue to the bottom here and to the top, and then you just seal that up, and that will give you your side tuck spot. And what you can also do with these pockets, I've made a flip book, and I use all of my scrap papers. I did other videos where I've made little mini flip books with using your scraps. This is another really fun, I love this project, it's one of my favorite, and I've had a lot of my subscribers and followers on Instagram make similar ones as well, and they all turn out really lovely. I'll put the link to the tutorial on how you can make this really cute flip book as well, using all your scraps, and it just opens up like that and you get little pockets. You can have so much fun using all your little bits and pieces of scrap papers. So that's one of the other ways you can use your scraps. And then I also made another flip book with binder rings, also using your scraps to make some side pockets as your pages. And this is another side pocket, another one. I'll also put the link to this video down below if you wanted to have a look at that one. But I'm going to show you how you could make this flip book with these pocket pages. I'll just show the inside, and these are also dies from In Love Art Shop as well. They're, I think, the banner shaped dies. And the inside here has one of the side pockets as the pages, and it's more wider and deeper. We can add more larger package goodies. And I've got one of these little pocket pouches that I've made. I'll put the link down below as well to this tutorial, and it's got a clear pouch using your pocket letter pouches to add your little gifts in there, and that goes in there. I haven't embellished it, I just wanted to show you how you could assemble one of these pocket pages. And there's a side pocket there, and there's the top. This is another one, and that's the inside, that's the side. This is a treat bag that I made, also using 6x6 paper. And this is the last one. So this mini pocket flip book is for 4 pages. So I'm going to show you how you can assemble one of these if you decide to make one of these mini flip books with these side pocket pages. So what you're going to need to make the cover, all you need to just use any size cover you like. It doesn't have to be small or big. As you can see, nothing lines up, which makes them more interesting for the book. So I've got a couple of pockets that I've made. So I've made this one here, just a smaller one, just to show you how to assemble it. And I'll use these little ones that I've had made for the tutorial in my previous videos. And this will be the cover. And all I do is I fold it in half. And with this one, I didn't fold it evenly in half. I sort of off-centered it a bit. So I've kind of done it like that, so you can see the overhanging part of the paper. So that's the first bit you're going to do. You just want to fold that in half however you like, and you're going to need another piece of paper. The main thing for this part, which is the hinge, you want to make sure the width is 6 inches, and then the length is 6 inches, but the height, it doesn't really matter as long as it fits inside your cover. So you just want to make sure that the height is within your cover, but this has to be 6 inches, and you're going to want to score it. I've got so much stuff here, I'll just move some of this out of the way. And what you want to do on your 6-inch side, you're going to score it at 1 inch, and then at every ½ an inch. So it's 1 inch, then 1.5, 2 inches, and keep going at every ½ an inch until you get to the 5-inch mark. So you'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 score lines. And then you're going to want to fold it in an accordion fold. I'll use this one to show you. And what you do here is you want to fold this side here back, and then forward. Just follow the score lines and just keep going back and forth as an accordion fold, and just keep doing that. So I've completed mine here already. And what we'll do here is on the valley fold, you're going to want to add some glue. I've done a lot of projects, and in my previous videos using the same Hinge method. I really like using this method for my mini albums and flipbook pages. I just think it's really easy and really quick than having to fuss around making those bigger albums. Alright, so then you've got all your glue in the valley folds. You want to sandwich or press them all in together until it's all nicely sealed. And when you've got that all sealed, you'll have, mine's still not quite set, you'll have 4 dividers, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're going to turn that back over that way, and then along here you're going to also apply some glue all throughout the backing of the hinge, or double-sided tape, something that's going to be nice and strong. So just do that, and we're going to bring that your cover that way, and you're going to, this middle part here, this is your middle fold, you want to place that one along that fold line. So when you've got it, you want to just line that up there. Oh, sorry, my one isn't quite, I want to put mine in the middle. So that's there. So then you just press that down, and then you'll have your 4 hinges. Now with your pages, it doesn't matter if your pocket, sorry, not your pages, if your pockets are short in height to your hinge, and I think that's what makes it more interesting as well. So it, like my one here, you can still see some of the pages are not lined up with the hinge, and I think it doesn't matter with that. It makes it look more interesting as well. Alright, so I'm just going to do 2 pages for the pockets of how you could put them on. I'll just give you 1 second. I'll go and grab some double-sided tape. I've got some here. So with the hinges, you want to add some double-sided tape along the 4 hinges just on one side, so just the ones that are facing left. So I'll just place 2 for now, but you'll go ahead and place another double-sided tape to that one and also to that side, but I'll just do these ones. Take that out. Okay, so I'm going to place the first one, so making sure your tuck spot is on the left side. You're just going to line that up. Now when you want to put your pocket onto your hinge, place it halfway along the hinge from that fold line. Don't line it against the fold line, otherwise your pocket page won't flip or won't turn properly. So I'm just going to press mine. And then just press that. So you'll see now it'll have, which I've got my, yeah. So then that can swing back and forth nicely and easily, and then same with the next one. I've just realized this pocket is smaller, so what you might want to do is you want to place the a double-sided tape onto your pocket probably better because it's not the same height. I'm just going to take this one out. So because this one is smaller, I'm just going to place it onto the pocket instead. It's probably easier that way, especially for your pockets are different sizes in height. So I'm just going to now place that along here again, not too close to the part where the hinge has a crease, and that makes your second page. And you just keep going along and placing the next one onto the next one and the next one, and that will give you the same style of mini flip book with your pocket pages as this one here. Oh, that was a fun tutorial with all of my projects here to show you guys as well. I'll put all the links below with all of these fun mini albums using your paper scraps, and I do hope you enjoyed this fun video with all my project shares and tutorial, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.